Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best 1 to 300 leverage Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The foreign exchange market is known for offering high leverage, and some brokers may offer leverage ratios of 1 to 300 or higher. Traders who are searching for some of the best 1 to 300 leverage Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best 1 to 300 leverage Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have CMC Markets. CMC Markets has been in operation since 1989 and is one of the most reputable online brokers in the United Kingdom. CMC Markets is a multi-award-winning market maker that has regulation and authorization in several regions. CMC Markets is one of the few brokers that is listed on the London Stock Exchange, and throughout the years, the broker has become a leading and trusted provider of CFD financial instruments and spread betting options. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 9,000 tradable instruments, covering Forex, indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, shares, and treasuries. Featured platform is available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, as well as their very own next-generation trading platform and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on CFD and corporate accounts, with no minimum deposits, lower spreads, access to over 9,000 products, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, customer support, and so much more. CMC Markets also provides their very own educational learning center, which includes beginner's guides to Forex trading and strategies, a variety of webinars you can sign up to, as well as a comprehensive list of trading ebooks for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with CMC Markets. At number 4 on our list is Core Liquidity Markets. Core Liquidity Markets, sometimes referred to as CL Markets, is an Australian-based Forex broker that was founded in 2013 in the United States. They are regulated by the ASIC and currently serve more than 100,000 clients worldwide from 100 countries. When trading with this broker, you will be able to choose from 2 account types that can be used on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, and more than 500 trading tools are provided. You can trade a wide variety of Forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, indices, stocks, and commodities with Core Liquidity Markets, and there are over 100 trading instruments available. Core Liquidity Markets offers 2 types of live trading accounts, as well as giving their clients the option to practice on a demo account or to use a swap-free account. The standard account is a beginner-friendly commission-free account with low spreads, and it has a minimum deposit requirement of $100. The ECN account offers incredibly low spreads, starting as low as 0 pips, and a low commission fee is charged. This account requires a minimum deposit of $500, and we recommend it for more experienced traders. Both accounts can be used for hedging, scalping, and expert advisor trading, and no inactivity fees are charged. You will also have 24-hour customer support and a personal account manager. They are market execution accounts with one-click trading that allows you to leverage your trades by up to 500 times your initial deposit amount. If you are new to trading, Core Liquidity Markets offers a learning center known as Trader's Edge, with step-by-step trading guides, setup videos, regular market analysis reports, personal trading robots, proprietary US-based indicators, live market education, and weekly trade ideas. The resources provided are suitable for all trading levels. As a Core Liquidity Markets client, you will also have access to the Forex Analytics market analysis platform, which scans the market throughout the trading day and identifies high probability chart patterns and changes in macro data for 30 instruments. It also monitors instrument performance, provides information on recent events, and delivers pattern in play or PIP indicators that help you identify patterns. This platform is a web-based application, but you can also use it on your mobile. You can join the chat rooms and follow blogs to stay in touch with the community. And there are plenty of webinars and educational resources you can use to improve your trading skills and refine your knowledge. Core Liquidity Markets is a great option for beginners, professionals, and copy traders. We also recommend using this broker if you are a social media influencer and you would like to benefit from the affiliate program, or if you are a signal provider or trading education company that would like to earn ongoing commissions on the trading activity of new clients you refer. Additionally, you can use the Money Manager program if you are a portfolio manager, financial institution, or a copy trader, and you are looking for tools and features that can simplify and automate the process of handling multiple accounts. There is something for every type of trader at Core Liquidity Markets, and for only $100, you can activate your live trading account for access to global markets, an exceptional market analysis platform, an abundance of educational content, and competitive trading conditions. Coming in at number 3, we have Multibank Exchange. Multibank Exchange is a highly regulated, award-winning Forex broker that was founded in 2005, with its headquarters located in Hong Kong. They have more than 20 offices globally, with thousands of clients from around the world, and there are over 20,000 Forex pairs, metals, shares, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies that you can trade with Multibank Exchange. Multibank Exchange offers multiple accounts with spreads starting as low as 0 pips, as well as a variety of trading bonuses and promotions. Multibank Exchange's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released 5 years later. Once you have created an account, you can easily join their social trading program and follow the strategies of your favorite traders. This is a great option for beginners and traders with a busy lifestyle, because you can reap the benefits of a real account without the risks of losing opportunities or making uninformed decisions. Multibank Exchange also offers free virtual private server hosting, and you can integrate your expert advisors to your Multibank Exchange accounts to automate your trades, monitor the markets, and place orders at any time using the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms. Multibank Exchange offers 3 types of accounts, and you also have the option of using a demo account and a swap free account. All 3 accounts can be used on both MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms. A maximum leverage of 1 to 500 is allowed on each account, and these accounts are suitable for social trading and scalpers. If you would like to use a commission-free, beginner-friendly account, with a low minimum deposit requirement of only $50. Then we recommend opening a standard account. The spreads on this account start from 1.5 pips. If you are willing to make a larger deposit of at least $1,000, but would still like to trade without paying any commission fees, then you can open a Pro account, which offers spreads starting from 0.8 pips. You also have the option of trading raw spreads with instant execution on the ECN account. To open this account, you will need to deposit at least $5,000. However, the spreads on this account start from as low as 0 pips, and commission fees are low. Multibank Exchange also offers managed accounts and PAM accounts that will make it easier to automate your trades, use expert advisors, and manage multiple accounts simultaneously. If it is your first time trading and you want to get some practice first, then we would recommend opening a demo account. This will give you an opportunity to familiarize yourself with trading and the tools provided in a risk-free environment using virtual currency. Once you have familiarized yourself with the platforms and trading tools, you can use their economic calendar provided to keep track of major economic events and market activity. What we like most about Multibank Exchange is their strict regulations, their ultra-low spreads, and the fact that there are so many ways to earn more through their trading bonuses. Multibank Exchange is one of the safest brokers that you can trade with, and they offer more than 20,000 tradable instruments. So why not open your account today to claim your deposit bonus and bring a friend along with you to earn more with Multibank Exchange. At number 2 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a shares account, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best 1 to 300 leverage forex brokers, we have Aetos. Aetos is a leading financial services provider and licensed Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2007. This broker is based in Sydney, Australia, and is regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Financial Conduct Authority, the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, and the Cayman Islands Monetary Authority. Aetos offers a wide range of instruments, professional portfolio management services, and a great selection of high-quality trading tools for research and analysis. By trading with Aetos, you will have access to auto-chartist, updated market news, and a secure virtual private server that runs 24 hours a day. We highly recommend Aetos if you are interested in copy trading, automated trading, or PAM investments. Aetos offers more than 25 popular forex pairs and a wide range of indices, metals, energies, and share CFDs. You can also trade oil, natural gas, and precious metals with this broker, and dozens of US share CFDs from leading international companies. Aetos also offers fixed spreads on indices from global indexes like the UK 100, the JPN 225, the HKG 50, and the AUS 200. Your Aetos account can be used on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. MetaTrader 4 is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. It was released in 2005, and this platform is renowned for its advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and much more. There are two types of accounts you can open with Aetos, and this broker also offers a demo account. It appears that Aetos does not currently offer swap-free accounts. However, if you are new to trading, then you can practice using a demo account in the meantime. Their general account is suitable for all styles of trading, and it offers competitive spreads with no requotes guaranteed. The advanced account is designed for high net worth individuals, and this account has much lower spreads, and trades can be leveraged by up to 400 times. The minimum deposit requirements are low on both accounts, however the risks can be much higher on the advanced account if you plan on leveraging your trades. So we only recommend this account for professional and institutional traders. One of the perks of being an Aetos client is having access to auto-chartist, which is a powerful market analysis tool. This tool provides chart patterns, 6 different Fibonacci patterns, global market analysis, and in-depth volatility analysis. You can use auto-chartist to monitor your performance, and this is one of the best tools for identifying opportunities and managing risks. Aetos can also be used for copy trading. All you need to do is create an account, choose a strategy provider to follow, and set the parameters of your trades. Currently, it appears there is no beginner-friendly educational content on the Aetos site, but you can practice using a demo account in the meantime, and when you understand the basics of trading, feel free to try out copy trading. Or perhaps you would be interested in joining one of the managed investment pools. Aetos is a trusted international broker that is regulated by multiple financial agencies, and this broker offers high-quality trading tools, competitive trading conditions, and professional account management services. As an Aetos client, you will also have access to plenty of market research tools and an intuitive mobile application that you can use to manage your account, monitor your performance, and stay up to date with the latest market news. And those are some of the top 5 best 1 to 300 leverage Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.